This video shows you how to connect your VoxBox speakerphone to your computer or mobile device. To use VoxBox with your computer, start by attaching the USB cable to both devices. The 4-foot cable is for personal use, private offices, or home offices. The 10-foot cable is for conference rooms and comes with an adjustable security loop that attaches to the leg of the table. Use a padlock for extra security. On your computer, set the VoxBox speakerphones as your default audio device in either the system settings or in your conferencing software. Once you've done this, you should also check the UC Client audio settings for any UC client you plan to use on a regular basis. To use VoxBox with your mobile device or with computers that are Bluetooth enabled, you will have to pair the device. The VoxBox can simultaneously pair up to 10 devices, stay connected to 2, and stream from 1. However, your Bluetooth device must support either the HFP version 1.6 or A2DP version 1.3 Bluetooth profiles. To pair your device, hold down the Bluetooth button on the VoxBox until the indicator flashes blue and makes this sound. Then, go to your device and locate the VoxBox. Establish the connection. You are now paired to the VoxBox. When the VoxBox is turned on, it will automatically activate the Bluetooth functionality and connect to any previously paired devices. You will know Bluetooth is on because the light next to the Bluetooth button will be blue but not flashing. If the light is flashing, the device is in pairing mode. If the light is off, press the button once quickly to turn Bluetooth on. Then proceed to connect your device as instructed. You are now connected to the VoxBox speakerphone.